Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to stomach fat loss drinks. Many people find the taste or texture of these drinks challenging, but there are simple ways to make them more palatable. We'll cover adjusting your serving size, mixing techniques, and understanding ingredients to help you incorporate these drinks into your routine effectively. Our goal is to make your fat loss journey smoother and more enjoyable. Improving the taste and texture of your fat loss drink can make a huge difference. Try blending it with a handful of berries or a slice of orange for a natural sweetness boost. A good blender will also ensure a smooth, uniform consistency, which many find more pleasant than a gritty texture. And remember, a cold drink is often more refreshing and easier to consume, so chill it well. Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more tips. And on another note, life's too short for a stinky car, right? Grab yourself a little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener. It's a game changer for keeping your ride fresh. You can find the link for that and other deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Timing your fat loss drink can also impact how well you stomach it. Consider having it with a meal to help buffer any strong flavors or ingredients that might upset your stomach on an empty one. Staying hydrated with plenty of water throughout the day is also crucial for your metabolism and overall well-being. Always pay attention to your body's signals and adjust your intake as needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.